Welcome back to the channel. You're watching Ibiyeomie, your front row seat to the lives of Nigeria's elite. Today, we're stepping into the world of the one and only Pastor David Ibiyeomie. Pastor David Ibiyeomie is the founder and presiding pastor of Salvation Ministry in Port Harcourt, Rivers State. Born on October 21, 1962, in Bonny Island, Rivers State, he has risen to become one of Nigeria's most influential pastors, with an estimated net worth of $26 million, about 36 billion Nigerian nairas. His wealth comes from a thriving church, strategic investments, and business ventures. Pastor Ibiyeomie lives in an ultra-modern mansion in Port Harcourt. His luxury car collection includes Range Rovers, Mercedes-Benz, and BMWs, and he also owns a private jet used for international ministry. His ministry is known for powerful healing services and life-changing teachings. Pastor David Ibiyeomie's story is a powerful example of faith and perseverance. If you love exclusive access to Nigeria's finest, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. Ibiyeomie, stay connected.